Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see one essay on independent India. Independent India means Atmanirbhar Bharat. So let's see. Self-reliance and integrity begins with us to make India vigilant and prosperous. Our country India, which was called the Golden Bird in ancient times, was a slave of British rule for about 200 years. Our integrated freedom fighters liberated the country after a lot of struggle. Finally, we got independence on 15th August 1947. Today, the country is completing 75 years of independence. There were many obstacles at the beginning of this journey of 75 years, but India did not turn back. The country kept on moving forward toward its goals. Today, the country is continuously moving forward on the path of progress. Today, there is no field in which India has not earned a name. But this journey of 75 years was not easy at all. The country has worked hard to reach where the country is progressing, but corruption is a major obstacle in the economic, social, and political progress of the country. Unfortunately, in our country, corruption has become a part of life. The main causes of corruption are illiteracy, poverty, and wrong economic policies of the government. All the parties like government, citizens and private sector need to work together to eradicate corruption. In this direction, the policy should be made with integrity. Corruption will be eradicated if we all are integrated. Being self-reliant is the dream of every individual, society and nation. Our former Prime Minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, has said, "A nation's strength ultimately consists in what it can do on its own and not in what it can borrow from others." Even since the attainment of independence, the dream of self-sufficiency began to grow in the heart of India. As we know, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has already started the Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. If we take the example of a recent incident that took place across the world is that of COVID-19. Coronavirus has spread all over the world. Everyone had to stay indoors for a few days. All routes and relations were completely closed. In such a situation, by taking help of self-reliance, we have provided various facilities in our country itself. So to make a completely self-reliant India, we should blind us all in the thread of integrity. But all this will be possible only on the strength of integrity, transparency, and good governance. There is a need to promote a culture of honesty and integrity by promoting ethical working practices. There is a need to formulate a code of ethics for all government employees for the honest performance of their functions. Only then can the country realize its dream of becoming self-reliant. Let's celebrate 75 years of independence, make a new India with integrity and self-reliance. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching this video.